Hello there, hello everyone, welcome to my vlog, welcome. So it's good morning, yeah, and here's my motorcycle, as you can see here, yeah. And yeah, for today's content is I will be installing a new pipe. I got this online, yeah. So for today's video, we will change our pipe, yeah. So I got this one, it's a Akrapovic, yeah. Yun, it's very big, yeah. I think this will be sound very nice. Okay, so yeah, let's put it here first. Yeah, so we'll put it here like that one. Yeah, okay, so like this. Okay, then I will have a short ride and we will check if how's the performance and how's the sound on a flyby. Okay, all right, so first we need to remove this pipe. Okay, just a moment here. It also comes with an adapter. Alright, let's first remove this one. It's just a slip on. Here's my tools. Okay, so what I need is, what is the size? Okay, so I think what I need is close range. Okay. Alright. So the close range is, what's the size? About 12. It's 12. Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's 14. 14, yeah. I think it's coming. No. Oh, no, it's up. Okay. Let's unlock it first. Okay. Let's put it here, and then this one also is size 12. Okay, now just need the counter size 12. Okay, it's fit. Okay, okay, yun lang yan. Check natin yung ano yan. Spring din siya. Okay. Yes, spray. Okay, tanggal tol. Alright, tanggal na natin isang spring. Okay, tanggal na. Alright, successfully removed it. Alright, so that's the old pipe. Now, we'll put a new pipe. Alright, let's put it. Okay, that's the adapter. Okay, so let's just put it directly. Yeah, okay. Put it like that. Alright, so now we need to put it directly like this. Okay. Okay, I think it's now good. Then let's put up the spring. Okay. Okay. Alright, oops, just a moment. Okay. First spring is good. Second spring, let's put it also. Okay, like that. Okay. Yeah. I think it's already good enough though. Then yeah, the last step is what? Let's go for a sound check, I guess. But let's also put some this for sure security. Okay. Right. Let's also put this one. Yes, sir. Okay. almost finished. Alright, I think this is a good quality pipe though. Akrapovic pipe. Okay, I think it's not good. Now the step is what? To okay, put it here like this one. Just be careful. Okay, so we need to lock it like that one. Like okay. Like this I guess. Okay, so we need to put it like that. Yes. Okay, so then. Okay, like here, like this. Put it up like that one. Okay. Then let's put up a spacer. And let's put up this one. Okay. I think this will be good. Just need to lock it on. Lock him up. Okay. Okay. I think this is all good. Then we also need the what is it? This one. Okay. Okay, so let's put it up like this. Okay. Okay, and then we also need this one, 14 size. Okay, need to seal it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, I think it's good enough though. And yeah, it's now fit. And now I think what we just need to do now is the sound check. So that is the pipe. Now what we need to do is sound check. Let's go. Let's start it. So that is the sound. I think it's very nice. So that is the sound check. And now I will fix my things and then we will put it on a test ride, okay? Hello guys, so now I will be performing a sound check. I will be driving around the town with my new muffler, Akrapovic, and yeah, we'll check the performance and how it sounds on the road. Whoa, yeah, so that's how it sounds. It's very strong and also very cool. Yeah, oh, and now I actually feel the power. It's very good sound. It has the bass and also sounds good, yeah. Alright, and also have I think it also gives the engine more air. It sounds very cool. It's actually cool. sound, yeah, no doubt. All right, it's actually giving me what do you call that? Relaxing sound, yeah. All right, we're now here at Binakayan. We're having just a sound check. Yes, sir. Bro, 1 to 10, I will rate this pipe or muffler 10 out of 10 for its sound, looks, appearance, and the price. Yeah, it's very nice. Oh fuck, it's so good, man. Alright. Alright. Let's go. So that is the idle sound. This is the idle sound. Okay. Yeah, so that is the sound of the Akrapovic pipe we installed on the RC390. That's the appearance. And yeah, you could comment down below if what's your what do you think about the new sound. So that's the new sound. And then we also have a rev bump check. That's the rev bump check. Alright, so that is the rev bump of the new pipe. And yeah, thank you for watching this vlog, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. And please hit the subscribe, notification bell, and the like button for more videos. Alright, once again, it's Sailor John, and I'm out.